Namaskar, I am Parvez Pathan. Imagine this, there is not a single water pipeline in your entire lane. You never received a tap connection, or you have not received even a single drop of water through a tap connection. And yet in government records, your house is officially marked as having a fully functionally tap water connection under the Har Ghar Jal scheme. How would you feel? You would feel shocked and deeply angry. This situation is not fictional. This is exactly what has happened in several villages of Jalna district in Maharashtra. The central and state governments launched the Jal Jeevan mission with one clear goal: to provide safe drinking water to every family in every village through a household tap connection. In 2021, the government issued clear instructions that by 2024, every household in Jalna district must receive water through a tap connection. And if you look online, it appears that this work has been fully completed. But when we look at the ground reality, the story becomes truly shocking. Many villages still do not have even a single water pipeline laid. Some villages have half done work. Some have received pipes but never had them installed. And many families still depend on wells or travel long distance to fetch water. Despite this reality, the Water Supply Department declared hundreds of villages as Har Ghar Jal. Certificates were submitted stating that every household received tap water. And surprisingly, even many Gram Panchayats passed Gram Sabha resolution supporting this claim. Even though villagers themselves say that no water ever came through a tap. When we follow the chain of responsibility, a clear pattern begins to appear. Under the guidance of the then executive engineer, several deputy engineers and junior engineers issued unrealistic or completely false certificates. Gram Panchayat supported these claims, and all these documents were uploaded to the official government portal, which automatically mark these villages as Har Ghar Jal. This means the manipulation did not happen in just one village or one taluka. It happened across the entire district, affecting hundreds of villages together, and we have strong evidence to prove this. When we published these reports on our news portal, the then Chief Executive Officer of the Zilla Parishad formed a committee for investigation, which included the additional CO and the deputy CO of the Water Supply and Sanitation Department. But what happened next created even more suspicion. 8 months passed, yet the committee neither submitted a clear report nor shared any information. And when the new CEO took charge, at the time the new CEO was also given the evidence. But even then, why no action was taken remains a mystery. This silence raised even more questions among the people. Citizens started asking, what exactly did the inquiry committee do for 8 long months? Why did they not submit a report when all the evidence was available online? Did the committee come under any kind of pressure from anyone? Did the committee fail? And is someone putting pressure on the new CEO as well? These questions are now being discussed openly across the district, and people are demanding real answers. You will be shocked again. An executive engineer was appointed to the Zilla Parishad Water Supply Department in 2022, but his name appears on tenders from 2017 and 2018 and even after that. This is surprising because before 2022, this executive engineer was posted in Vidarbha. So how does his name appear on tenders from all 8 talukas of Jalna district in 2017, 2018 and later? We have solid evidence of this. After we published a news report on this issue, the executive engineer was transferred. But the real questions are still unanswered. At the center of this issue lies a much bigger question, the question of trust. When crores of rupees are spent for welfare schemes, people expect honesty and transparency. But when the officers responsible for these schemes become part of the manipulation, whom should the citizen trust? The people of Jalna district are now demanding a state level joint investigation team. They want a detailed and fair inquiry, and they expect the new district collector and the new CEO of Zilla Parishad to take this issue seriously and ensure strict action against those responsible. Because citizens do not want fake declaration on paper, they want real water in their homes. They want the tap connection that was promised to them, and they want the truth to finally come out. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.